I ran my own YouTube channel through a YouTube Signal diagnostic tool. It came back 55 out of 100. Not great, not catastrophic, but still stuck. And the thing is, 55 is not a random number. This tool breaks the score down into 4 layers, and it tells you exactly where your points are hiding. So today, I'm not guessing. I'm just reading the data and building a plan in real time. So let's get into it. The tool breaks the score down into 4 signals layers. Here's where I land. CTR Signal, 10 out of 30. Impression depth, 20 out of 25. Views per impression, 5 out of 25. Upload velocity, 20 out of 20. Total, 55 out of 100. 45 points on the table. Now look at where the damage is concentrated. CTR and views per impression. Together, they account for 35 of the 45 missing points. 2 layers, same root cause, packaging. YouTube is testing my videos, but viewers are not clicking. And when they do not click, YouTube stops showing the video, and that's the loop I'm stuck in. The good news is packaging is fixable. It doesn't require better content, a bigger audience, a more upload frequency. It requires better thumbnails and tighter titles. Let me show you exactly where the problem is. Channel average CTR is at 2.3%. That target, it needs to be between 4 and 8%. And that gap is the entire story. Let me walk you through this video level data because this is where it gets detailed. Stop editing and start building Camtasia. I worked on this yesterday and I changed the title and it's now up. But YouTube tested this 182 times and almost nobody's clicking. In the algorithm's eyes, this video is dead. Let's look at another video. Why my first YouTube video got 633 impressions. 633 impressions is a 1.9% CTR, the highest impression count on my channel. Worst performing thumbnail. This is the most painful one. That means that YouTube gave me 633 impressions, traffic, and I wasted it. Nobody clicked on it. Let's look at one more. 34 years in IT and I still couldn't do it on camera. You can see that it's got a 2.9%, still far from the 4 that I need, but I did change the thumbnail and I'm getting upward trajectory, but I'm gonna have to continue to work on this. So it's growing, but I still got to work on the packaging and that's holding it back. Right now, every morning when I get up, I run the tool and I'm looking at my thumbnails to make sure I align my thumbnails and I'm chasing that 4 to 8% target here. And that's my repair plan every morning and I check it. So today you can see the work I'm gonna have to do to restructure these thumbnails, hit them, upload them to the YouTube studio and look for the improvement. That's my repair plan. Here's the distribution problem. What actually builds signal on YouTube, 144 views. That's one video. Total channel views across all of my videos is 255. That single video accounts for 57% of everything this channel has ever done. And it's not much because it's new. YouTube has already told me what this channel is about, and I wasn't listening. Look at the rest of my content. Camtasia, tutorials, camera confidence, income cushions. These aren't bad videos, but they are not the same audience. And when you keep switching audiences, the algorithm can't build signal profile for the channel. It doesn't know who to show your videos to, so it shows them to nobody. The diagnostic tool flagged the topic consistency as as a primary constraint in the first data pool. I saw it and I kept pushing these off-topic videos anyway. That's on me, and that's what changes in my second sprint. Every video from here forward stays within the signal framework lane. YouTube mechanics, channel diagnostics, real data. That's the lane I'm drilling into until the algorithm understands what this channel is. 3 videos are actively hurting the channel signal. Stop learning Camtasia, why my first video on YouTube, and 34 years in IT. I need new thumbnails, rewritten titles, same content. The content on all 3 is fine. The packaging failed. Stop learning Camtasia is already done. The other 2 are next. Right. So now every single one of my videos from this point forward will be inside the topic cluster. No Camtasia tutorials, no camera confidence, no income journey tangents unless they are framed as signal data. The YouTube channel has one job right now: teach technical professionals how to engineer their YouTube signal. That's it. Or teach anyone how to engineer signal. That's it. That's the job of this channel. Upload frequency, no gap longer than 5 days between upload. The velocity is 20 out of 20 right now, and I'm in good shape and I can maintain that pace. 2 videos per week is my target, 1 minimum. I'm not guessing at any of this. The diagnostic tool generated the repair queue directly from the YouTube stated data. Every action maps to a specific constraint and a specific score gap, a specific number of points I can recover. That's the difference between a system and a hope. I built the tool that built this repair plan. It's free for you to use. Go to pressure tested CO and you can use it for free to see where your channel score is. I did it because I'm just like you. I'm trying to grow a small YouTube channel into an asset. I hope this helps. Uh, Please drop a comment. Tell me what you'd like to see in the tool, and we'll build it together. Good luck in your channel.